Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about that how you can test the order guide through the ATF. So I'm not going to do end-to-end testing. I'll just show you that how you can order a order guide through the ATF. For that, what we are going to do that I have created one order guide called demo order guide ATF. In this order guide, you can see that there are three sections. One is called describe needs, and under this choose option, you can actually choose multiple uh, catalog item, and then after that you can go to this checkout page and then order this, right? So we are going to test the similar scenario here in our ATF, and let's see that how we can do that. The first thing is that we are going to click here called new. Then we have to define the test name. So for that, what is the test name? So we can say that order guide test. Okay, by the way, if you don't know that how I go to this page, and for that you can type the automated test framework, click the test and then click the new button and save that. So our first test is created. Now once we created the steps, I'm not going to do like end-to-end testing, like creating a user, impersonating the user, giving the user to the ITL role. I'm not doing those because those things I have already discussed in my previous video. I'm just showing you that simply how we can do this complete ordering the process here. For that, I'll go and then click test steps here. And then here, if you go to this called service catalog in service portal, then we have options called open a order guide in bracket SP. Then click next. Once I selected that, you can see that order guide name we had to put there. So we'll select that the order guide name called demo order guide ATF and then click submit. So our first step is opening this page is done. Now we need to set some value. Here we need to set some value. Let's say that I'm going to set some value here called set variable value SP. Click next. What value I want to set? Let's say that I want to set that who is the requested for is the able tutor for the time being. So I'll select that requested for is for the time being. I'm setting that able tutor. Now, after doing that, we need to click this next button to go to this choose option. Once we click this choose option, we can actually land to this page, right? So we'll go here, click add test steps, and then we'll go, there is the options called navigate with order guide in bracket SP that will actually navigate from describe to the choose option. We'll go here, click next, and here on which page we want to go to this choose option page. We'll select that choose options here and then click submit. Once we go to this choose option, now here you can see that there could be a multiple catalog item. There could be application management. There could be multiple. As you know that order guide is combination of the multiple catalog item. So it could have multiple catalog item, right? So we need to select this application management catalog item. For that, we need to do one more steps called add steps. Go to these called service catalog, and then here called review item in order guide. So this option we have to select and then click next. Once we do that, we can select the catalog item. What is the catalog item name? Our catalog item name is called application management. We'll click submit. Once you open this application management catalog item, you can set other variable like who is the primary contact, what cost center will be billed, what is the business purpose. This variable value you can set that. So let's say that at test step, let's say that variable set variable value, click next. Now here we need to define all these variable one by one. Okay, so let me set these one by one. And then click submit. So all these variable value are set. What is the next step? We have to go to this checkout page, right? So we have to go to this checkout page, click add steps, go here. Then we are going to select the navigate within the order guide SP again. And then this time we will select that to summary page and then submit that. After submitting these, going to the summary page, the final step is to order this. So we'll go here and then we are going to select call submit order guide, click next and then submit that. So this way you can define all your steps. Then finally you can just click this run test and then click runner. What will be happen? The catalog, you can see that the our order guide will be open into the portal. As you can see that it's just open that order guide and it will automatically happen everything. Then it's go to this choose option. It will be expand that choose options of this catalog item and then fill up this and then order this automatically, this catalog item. So as you can see, it's automatically expand, set as a able tutor, requested for set as a able tutor as we set that, and then it will set other value like primary contact, cost center, as you can see. And then finally it will go to the next page and then order this catalog item. After ordering that, it will return you that request number. Then you can do like, you can query to that, you can open that RITM, verify that, and then check all this validation. So you can see it's just order this request. Okay. So that's it for today. If you have any question, let me know in my comment section. Thank you very much. Have a great day.